Let's go! Hello everyone! Hello Gizzy, how are you? Let's do some nice and quiet work stream. Fine, that's nice, that's nice. We have something small here now. I am working with my VR headset on, so you won't see any very nice animation from my avatar, but I'm there and I'm with you. So let's hop over here. Hello. This is my nothing face. Yes, private session today, just the two of us, and that's fine. That's good for me. I need to work on the blacksmith building anyway. So this is my little test room. Little dear baby is still hanging around here with me, so I'm not so alone. And I have to do and test some thingies. Where's my pet rock? Here. Yeah, it's hammer time. Yeah, so basically, can you see it? Yes. Okay, we're inside here. I am working now on the, let's say, the gameplay between a hammer. This is my demo hammer, and a blank that we're working with. Most of the time you say it's not loud enough. I will turn it down a bit. Better? Good. So finally I have some more on my volume gauge to go back up again. That's good to know. Yeah. You can't see it, but I am working here already in VR. I am streaming the desktop onto my headset so I can jump in, do some stuff and come back. So what I am doing right now is we are having this little blank and it has some animation part onto them. And this baby can be bent and can be widened in different areas. And this is what I want to implement live. Yeah, that's a thing. I hope we can do something about it. I did a test already. Yep, event begin play. Blank as, no, wrong one. Just wanted to copy some things from that one here in the master. If we are getting Ezeki, that one, we're getting the animation instance. I am casting. Cast to my blank S animation. Set. Let's make it bend 1. Just as a little test. The values of all these things here are a bit different. That's fine, Zaki. So I'm able to bend a thing in between 1 plus and 1 minus, and yes, this is the value that I can do. So for our test, let's do some 0.5. Just setting them and see if it's doing anything here. Let's go on simulation, doing nothing, that's good. Because we are now doing something different and I already started to play with it. I just have to continue on that one. So I'm sorry if that's maybe some of the more boring streams we got here, but I was so intrigued in this kind of stuff that I wanted to continue on that, what I have begun today. Yes, we got a forgeable component. Let's begin with the start. I got this blank master, this baby here. This is what you will be able to heat up and bend and then cool down to get one of the blades. I got this lovely test hammer here. It's just some basic things, so I have something to play with. And the forgeable component is part of our blank, and the forgeable component makes this thing, as it's named, forgeable. And here are all the different functions and values that I need to make that happen. And I just did some big changes and created this forge state. And forge state will hopefully inherit everything that is part of our forging process, like bending and changing the width of the blade. And the forging state should be given to that baby here. This is the animation. I hope we can do this. Let's see. I got some function here to change the width. I'm not taking into consideration now where we are hitting the blade. I'm just here to get some tests done, and I hope this will do a thing for us. We are setting that array element here, and I need to test it afterwards. So let's see, we have that index. I am getting now that get reference, that's okay. Taking that index. Can we break it? No. And right click, move to variable, no. Oh, this is just the bone, sorry, wrong one. I wanted a copy of that one. Here's my getter. Now we can split it, because I want to see the bend left width and print this baby, just to see if we are getting any sort of change to that array. And then I can read it in my animation blueprint. So this is why I'm not animating my avatar. I am already having my headset on, so we can jump right into that VR preview, which is not visible to you, sorry. Just a sec. Here we are. I'm just sitting here at my desktop, and I'm smacking that one and look if there's something happening. There's something. Server is saying +8, +10. I'm getting numbers here. That's good. But I have too many different numbers here. Oh my gosh, Zaki, this is your 40th stream. Congratulations. So we are getting rid of this one. I have not too many of these prints. I'll go back. Just hitting that one. We're getting nothing here. That's good. That means that one here is not triggering. That array element. Maybe let's try and see if we are getting any number of that. Maybe it can't find the bone that I'm searching for. So let's make this print baby here, print string, and I'm printing just this number. It was giving me something at the start. 0. So it's doing the first bone. That's cool. That is coolio. By visuals, you don't have anything with you. This is the left, and we are adding 1 to them. That's good. So this is one thing. To make it more clear, I will use an append now. Append, let's call it width. So it's not giving us just the number, but the number and the name. Hit. Here it is, with 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one is counting up. Means we get something from our insert here. This is good. So array element is set. Where's my mouse? Hello, mouse. I think you would trigger many people by the way you just hold the hammer. Yes, but I'm just grabbing it. I don't have the time nor the patience. It could be some cube as well, but for my sake of sanity, I made it at least hammer shaped. Could be anything. I could even work with a pet rock. And if it's rage bait to get people into that stream, then I'm going with that. So that one is working. Means I am updating that forged state, and it's having these 2 bubbles because it's replicated. So everyone will see, hopefully, then the same thing. And after close it, don't yet. This is the hammer time. So when the hammer hits the object, we are first getting the hit location. Then I'm searching for the closest bone on our blank, because our weapons have bones. And last but not least, I'm checking which type of hammer we're using. The hammer A will change the width of your blade, the hammer B will change the bending, and the hammer C will do that little line in the center. Apply visuals is not connected. Okay. Take it off for now. We are here in the forgeable component. That's already correct. Forge mesh. Let's try this. Get animation instance. And now, I think it was called update. Oh, then we have to cast. Okay. Cast to the blank animation. Update data. Here it is. Now I'm just taking this one. We are ignoring the alchemy and the heat part. I'm just trying to change something about the width, and then we will see if it's working. So when we are hitting that, we are casting to the blade mesh animation, and in here update data, it will give the forge state alchemy heat to that function. Here we will set up, now it's looking weirdish, all the different variables that are inside of the animation. And I hope this will do something. So let's go back. Nope. Why should it? So to be sure, I am just going through that. I know that I have the width left is changed, because this is the one that we changed forcefully. Change width, yes. The item width left is changed. So this is what we can check on now and see if it's working. I get that. Now I'll try to print it. Let's append. Hello, Potato God. Welcome, welcome. I'm doing some groundwork on blacksmithing. Update with. See if we are getting this one. If we're getting this one, then we are able to see if that update all is getting triggered, if our loop is going through, and last but not least, in the same way, if our structure is doing something for us. Oh wait, I should make the print a bit longer because it's so short. 2 seconds is not enough for me. I need at least 10 to see it. Because yeah, unfortunately everything that is printed out on the screen is so far left top in my point of view that I can barely read it. So every time I'm reading that, I have to just peek below my nose to see the numbers. Oh, so it's getting us a width. The parameter is doing that. Okay, okay. That's a start. Yes, it's hammer time. In this case, yeah, we're making weapons, and the idea is that while you are blacksmithing this little baby here, it may change its shape, but it's not the final result. This is just the preview of what you get. So you make some basic shape, and after that, when you cool it down and when you're done, then the system will calculate what you've done with your blade, and it will give you I think in this category, this is small, or the shortest one, you have around, I think it was 12 different blades. So you have all kinds of stuff here. Transform, modify bone. I have to check if that one's working. Energy threshold, no. Yes, so you know what's going to happen if you give them free reign of the shape of weapon, right? Yeah, it's not really free reign. They can do kinds of stuff to that blank, but when they cool it down, then it will automatically snap into one of the given pre-made final shapes. So we are not having too weirdish stuff going on here. The worst thing that can happen is that you are going for another shape and you are getting something different. I quickly have to check on this one. What's the animation graph doing? So the scaling, etc. It's everything is there. No wiener swords. No. We got an ox tongue, if that counts. In space. Nope, nope, nope. Preview editor. We're here in that animation preview. Let's see. You are running, you're working. No change. Yeah, here. So this is part of the changing process. So we have different places where you can make it wider or thinner. And we have some options it would do. You don't want to bend. I really respect that. That's lucky me, not the thing I'm going to implement now. I want to do the with L1, so this side. Yeah, one Kaiserschmarrn again. What? That was awful. Kaiserschmarrn is so easy to do. Have a good breakfast. This one is working. That's good. That's good. Because this is the way that we shape the different parts here. No, it's looking like an airplane. But I wanted to do the with 1L. See where it's going. Apply visuals. Update data. Update all. With 1L. This is done. Can we see it live here? I don't think so. You know what? Let's do a weird test. I don't know if this is working, if we are going into a simulation. No, I'm just grabbing this baby here. Oh, it's working. Now it's working. Why are you working here, not in VR? Okay, we have definitely to give it some clamps. Give it wings. So you're working now. Side plate, yes. Let's see. Why are you working here? When I jump now in VR, let's see if it's still the same. Maybe it's something different then. Yep. Okay, it's an issue here. Maybe I'm in the wrong net mode. So we got some net modes here. Number of players. I'm playing as a client. Let's pretend I'm a listen server. Let's see if there's a difference. Oh yeah, now it's doing. That's too much, I know, but it's just for testing. Okay. What you can't see? Can you add runes? Not like that, maybe something decorative stuff, but it's not intended to have some sort of magical runes, since magic is one performance thing, but in contrary to that, we plan to add alchemy to your blades. client is hitting, server is thinking, client is not seeing it. Forge state is rep notify, on rep forge state apply visuals. Okay, so I have to go back to net mode as client because client is the player, and we have to change a bit to that forge state. That one is set to replicated. Let's call it now rep notify, which means as soon as this one gets updated, then we will have automatically this update data thing going on. Give me just a sec. Let's do it like this, event graph. And it should be on rep here. I hope this will work for us. So apply visuals, update data, forge state. So let's see this. The work is now, or the path is now, I'm triggering this server hammer hit. We're getting the location. I'm getting the nearest bone. This is something for later. And due to the hammer type, which is now A, I'm changing the width on the forge state set array element. And we are just giving it this +1 here on that side. 1 is the maximum. So we are going all in and going all above the thing that we need. Here we are. Okay, so I can't see it again in this mode as a client. Let's see it again as a server. Oh, okay. It's not responding. Maybe I forgot something? Let's see. On rep forge. We can do some tests. We'll make a print. Update. And the second one needs to be here. Print is failed. Oh, we're not getting anything here. That's interesting. Means that one is not triggering, which explains that it's not doing anything here. Does it work again if I'm a client? No. But we're having a 0 here. Update width. So this one is getting called once at the start. This is everything, but not called again later on. Just watch it carefully. Server is changing the variable. If I'm making a print here again, change variable, I will see if the client or the server is doing that one. Test. The server, you can see at the start, it's saying a server and then changed it. Okay, so the server is changing the variable. Thank you, potato guy. The potato god. Are you just the god for all of the potatoes, or are you the god that is creating the potatoes? Are you the god that is ruling over potatoes? I'm just checking what the solutions could be. Oh, maybe my component is not properly replicated. Are you replicated? Component replicates. And is my actor properly replicating? No. Well, let's be a client again. Boom. Haha. Woo. Cool. That is great. That is great. So the basic thing is thinking. Let's refine it. So I'm already getting the proper bone, but now I want to see if I'm giving it, let's do 0.1. Oh no, not that. 0.05. Maybe something like this for the start. And if it's left or right, will hopefully will be told by that little number here, because I want to see if I'm on the left side hitting on the right. I'm curious. Bum, 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 bum. I still don't know which side or which parameter is the best one. I am assuming it's the X value, but I'm not sure yet. So we have to try different things and see on which side we are getting plus and minus and where we are going. Maybe best way to get another print in here. Yeah, we need a lot of prints. As some of you might know, prints are everything. Whenever you don't know what's going on or you need some clarification, then you definitely do prints until you are crazy. So apply visuals. I'm just killing some prints now that are not needed anymore. You are good. We don't need you because you're working. And right now the only print I have the change with no. So we're printing this one right now. And I hope I get some nice locations. I want to see where we're hitting here. Let's make it 20 seconds again. So it's not going away. I'm hitting now close, left, right. X 2 2 2 2 2 16 minus. It could be the X value. Let's just try and see if the X value is doing our job. So I'm hitting here, 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 here. 2 7 2 7 4 4 5 6. So it's really growing, but to be honest, I thought I would be getting something that is a minus or plus value depending on the side. Oh, let's do another test. If I'm turning around the blade, what kind of value do I get? I hit here, I hit there. -4, -5, -6. Well, I'm hitting on this side now. This is giving me riddles. Maybe X is not the right value. Let's try the Y instead. I thought it would be X just by guessing. So we're hitting here. No. 3 3 3 4. Maybe this is going upwards. Not hitting it properly, I think. Zero, 1, 5. I'm hitting now at the tip. Really hard for me to see. Late. This is not exactly what I wanted to see. Maybe hit location needs to be rewired. Plus, I'm not getting the debug sphere. What? Duration 5 seconds. Radius 3. Maybe it's not where we want to have that. I'm quickly making some screenshot. Bum, 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 bum. By the way, is it annoying that my avatar's just rocking forward and back to provide you at least some sort of visualization of me? Hammer word location is here. Inverse transform location. Collision, get world location, draw debug sphere. Quickly that one first. So that's okay. These spheres, they show where I'm hitting. That it's a bit too high is totally fine. That offset is no issue for us. At least the X and Y is correct. Get world location, debug sphere. I think that could be okay enough. We don't need that inverse transform location, maybe. Sword collision. I'm just thinking about what's wrong here with that one, because that should do. For now, let's go with that one. Use that for our interpretation, hit location, but it's not giving me any idea. Let's see if this is still giving us some values. Now we have these big numbers, which are world location numbers. Worlds transform as reference. Hey, Uncle Peter, how are you? It's hot. Thank you. How was your day besides hot? World location, world mesh, world transform. Find reference. Hit hammer. Let's see. Forge mesh. This one. World transform. Oops. Presence. Want to get some. That word transform. And now the inverse transform location. first transform location with you. Let's try this again. If you can see some nice bubblies here. That's interesting. It really recognized that I was hitting more the middle, but it's not really giving us proper bubbles. Where are they? I wish I would know where they went. I assume this thing is, if we take that as the center, which is wrong, for the draw debug sphere, then it's getting the center to the center of the map. So that was maybe wrong about the draw debug spheres. But anyway, that number here could still be valid. Let's try the X value again, because I'm pretty much sure we are living on that X value here. Nothing spectacular. You say LKW Peter did some work for the medieval society after my shift. Ooh, sweet, sweet. Oh, see? We got a hit here. We got a hit here. I got a hit here at the start. Can we get a hit at the center? Not yet. I still wonder why it's not recognizing every hit. It's the key now. Also, wish, 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 wish. I'm asking why you're not recognizing every hit. I mean, we got to start here. But not what I wanted, not what I needed. Minus 10 and 13. The evil society, yes, the medieval. Key crafting feature. The big secret door, yes. So I am assuming we are getting something here. Let's skip that one. So the X should be fine here. When we are going into change width, what it's doing already right is it's telling us about which bone we are hitting. What we need now is let's try if it's just less or more than 0. I'm branching that baby here. So, and now it's Q for one time. Like this. And the other one, let's do a copy of that one. Maybe we need to swap it. I give it now a 1 just to be sure that we are getting it definitely right. Now get reference, same number. We are splitting that baby here. Bending is still the same. That is all the same. This is also the same. And we are now adding not to the left but the right, so left will stay the same and right will get a +1. test it again. So, oh, see? One. Ah, here we are. Not getting that side correctly. At some point it just stops. I mean, these are really exaggerated numbers, just to make it visual for you. Speaking of cursed, okay, so we are getting the width. This is pretty correct, and it's doing exactly the side that we want to widen. For hammer pull sword, yes. Have a good one, Zeki. Okay. 0.05, and of course we have to clamp it. I think we can just clamp it here. Not clamp access, sorry. We need a clamp note. Minus 0.5. Maximum is 1. So we are not overdoing it here. Same goes for you, my darling. You go in, you go out, and this is a wonderful mess. It's still pretty big. Yes, I'm holding it wrong. Way not working. The center is pretty hard to get, I would say. Oh, now it filled it. It's not getting the bubbles in here. Maybe it's broken, but it's doing something. Okay. It's far away from being satisfying. So here's hammer A. Let's make a duplication of that one. Or a child blueprint. Oops. You are hammer B now. I have different shapes for that. Please open you, thank you. Put it beside hammer A. Difference. I know we have a hammer B shape, just for the rules. Now let's scale it down. So this is the active part to hammer it. And you, my sweetheart, no component, nope. Where are you? Oh, here's it, hammer B. So you will be recognized as a hammer B now. The B hammer. And when we are here in the forgeable part, at the hammer time, I will now just bring a print up here. Hammer B. So it's showing us that we got the right hammer in our hand. Let's make it awful pink. I like. And I will throw the second hammer also inside of the level. So, second timer. Are we getting anything from you? No. Oh, here it is. And it's hammer B. I'm still trying to learn how to do this. Oh. Okay. I think I get it. Slowly but surely I get it. Yes. Okay. Yankee's learning it. Nice. Let's quickly check on you, my sweetie. Because you're not doing my bendy bend. That one is doing well. But not the bending. Maybe I changed too much on the skeleton and the physics. But here now. That's my physics stuff. Skeleton, static, physics asset. Maybe I should loosen those again. That constraint, let's do limited. Maybe I was too strict about what it could bend. And we have to go to the animation now again. But I know it was bending at some point. Oh no, it's turning in another direction. Okay, that's fun. That's twisting. Bend. have a typo in here. Compile. So the bending, amount, rotation, pitching. Get closer to this one. Yeah, you can see it a bit. How can I get rid of you? This overlay. If I loosen this one. Break this link. So we are here in bone 2, band 2. I'm using band 2 now. Okay, this is that direction. Wrong. Wrong. Breaking you. This is this turn. Break. Bring it in here. It's up and down again. Why? Why? Let's go back to the physics. Limited, locked. Bone 2. This one. It should only, in theory, should only bend like around here. Quickly save everything. Compile. Thank you, Gizzy. So originally we were pitching here. The others were pitching. We're tilting now. This one is right. Look. Okay, so bone number 2 is doing right. Which means like limit lock could be right here. Do you have any constraint? I don't think so. Oh, this one is saved. I'm going back in here. We're compiling. So number 3 is doing the wrong rotation. They are looking in the same direction, at least. Can we please rotate you? Thank you. So this is what it should look like. The X motion is locked on all of you. Maybe one of you is twisted in some sort of 10% rotation. Because of that rotation stuff here. Now straightening them and hoping to get everything sorted out properly. But let's see, does this do anything to us? Well, the bend one is unfortunately a tilt here. Not translating this bone one. I'm breaking you, giving you to the other direction. So this is the up and down position, which we are not wanting. Here that should be the up and down. Okay, so this is now sideways. Number two. Number two is now that way. Break. I give you to that yawn. They are so crazy. Hello. Break. Try this instead. This is also rotating. Why? Maybe I need to compile first. Up and down, up and down. Break. Right here. Compile first to get it right. Okay, this is sideways too. This is one. This is one. And now for the third one. And three. So both are now in that and the yawning. Means you, madam, you go in here. And voila, we got that bendy tip. Good. Now to that one. I will create a new function. Change bend. We're taking a bit of that one here, meaning nearly everything. And we'll bring it in here. What we need here is to copy that bone and location structure here. You are getting a location and a bone. Bone is of type name. Let's flip them. This one's the same. This one's the same. Change bend. You can go in here. You can go in here. And now we are not doing using the same numbers. We're from plus 1 to minus 1. Going inside here. The width is the same, and we're working with the bend. So if you are greater than, then it's plus on the bending. And if it's less, come on. Please don't die. Unreal Engine needs a little pause. So let's have a quick sip. See, it's working again. Subtracting. Minus 0.05 to the value. Means we should be bending in either direction. Let's test it. Getting my banana. More banana. We should make it a bit more extreme so we can see more. 0.1. 0.1. Hold it right. So question is, what direction should we hammer to make it go left? Easy LKW Peter, if I am hitting on that side, should the blade go to left or to the right when I'm hitting it on the right side? What do you guys think? So hammer's on the right, blade should go to the right. I think it stopped. Yeah, it stopped liking me. Restart. I don't have any arrows. That's something. Let's try it this way around. Look, does that look good to you? No, you don't hit the blade. That's okay. I'm just hitting at the side to get definitely on the one or the other side. I think I already bended it to the maximum. won't do that again. Let's make a fresh start. It should go left. Okay, then let's twist it again. That's why I'm asking. Thank you for the wood. So test with this one first. Oh, yes. We should maybe give it more than 45 degrees as a limit. It was here, yes. Let's make it 60 just for the test. I mean, I already deactivated just for testing the heat and the amount you have to hit it. So like this, easy. I'm hitting it on that side. And it's going to that side. Better. I still need to work on that this number thingy to get it definitely right, but I think the main idea is solid. Okay, this was a bit much. This is satisfying. We still get some bending. Maybe on the other side. Won't recognize that hit anymore. Okay. Oh, it's down there. Ah. It's a weird abomination, but I love it. It's a start. It's a rough start. Hammer A. And we're here in our event graph. We are checking now if this thing that we are hammering on is forgeable. So we are looking for a forgeable component, and then if it's valid, then I'm looking for the speed, like how heavy you're hitting it. And just for the testing purposes, I was taking both sides, true and false. Now this can be deactivated, and we are only getting now proper heavy hits. Thank you for the wood. Do we have the owner still? Let's see. Yes, hammer A. Let's see if we can get owner. Do we have an owner? Get owner. I want to see if we can cast to character BPBR character. That's us. Can we get some haptic? Local haptic feedback, left and right. So I'm just trying to give you some feedback when we are hitting something. Any hand can any hand work? To give myself some feedback. Hi, don't go away. Okay, any hand doesn't do anything. Maybe it's because it's local. Let's see. I give it to my left hand as a test. Maybe because it's just on the server. That's why we are going to our character now. And I'm looking for local haptic feedback. Haptic. Executes on server custom event. So this is a server event. Intensity 10. Try to grab object. It could work. Maybe the one is just not enough. You have something else? Left shoulder, waist, blah blah, special, no. I would like to have. Maybe the cast failed. Let's see that. With my beloved print. If the owner is not a proper VR character, EPVR character, yes, then the cast will fail. Where? Oh, the target was missing. So, green light, test. No. Do you see any? Wait, I haven't seen it if the cast failed. Oh, cast failed. Good. So the grabbing owner is not at least at this point it's not set as the owner. Do we have interface set held? Is held. Yeah, the holding controllers is held, okay. Where we can get over the controller instead. So everything from here goes to there. Holding controller, we are just getting first one. If there are two controllers holding, then we're just looking for the first one. Can we do, let's see what's in the split. Holding controller grip ID. Can we get from the controller to our BPBR character? Oh, there was a warning. Does not inherit, yes. Force field back attached, nope. Maybe if we get the owner from that one and do it like this. This is looking better. But we need some way to get from the element we are holding. That would be, no. What this is heavy. The hitting is heavy. Thank you, Gizzy. Access none. Let's quickly see. I have other options where we can look maybe. We are in the hammer now. Blueprints, items, edibles. You, my darling, I'm sure you have anything for me. Inventory, do once. I cut burst. Inventory component. Quickly check here. We're getting the controller. Grip motion controller component object reference. Grip motion controller component object reference. Has to be PBR character. And then we have the haptic feedback. Controller hand type. Target actor component. Target actor component. Is held. Maybe let's make a branch first. Maybe I'm not held by. This was wrong. There is a slight difference. Oh. Let's see this one. Now we get some haptic feedback. That is, at least that's something. And we should do get hit location. When we're here with the hit location, we can definitely give some basic feedback here. I'm going into that one here. Call it T. No. Custom. Multicast hit feedback. We're making just some basic feedback. And later on I will refine it, so there will be slight differences, either when the metal is hot or cold, or you did something wrong, maybe you overly hit it into one direction or whatever, then it will sound differently. But before they start, I just want to play a sound at a location. Do we have the hit location here? No. We have to give it to this little baby. Hit location as a vector. This is the input that we need. And we play sound at location. Oop. Do I have one blacksmith cooldown? Metal hit Q. Let's quickly check on it. It's not the best jump, but it's a start. I will take away. Oh, it's that looping one. Let's get the muting off. That one off. We have just this one. Attenuation is not water bubble, but single fire source. So that's our sound for the start, just to get some sort of feedback. So when we have a, oh, I haven't. I need to connect it. Me dump, me sorry. So we got the hit location here. Just hit feedback. Go with me. Saved. I need to do a proper hit now. Okay, but I can't hear anything now. Let's see, I think that hit location is this one. Let's move that feedback from here to there. Go inside here, and instead of the debug sphere, we don't need that anymore. We're doing our multicast in here. Oh. because we need that location. Do you have ear protection here? Maybe that's the reason you can't hear it. Maybe. Or I'm just old. I'm just too old to hear it. Nope. But sound in general is there, I'm sure. Oh. No, I can hear the fire. I'm crackling. I can hear the birds. It's just not playing where it should. Portable component, reliable, replicated to all. Let's make it quick. Play sound 2D. Ah. You really need to hammer it. Okay, I just need to see what is wrong with the location part. And when that's done, then I would wrap it up for today. It's already late. We have only 20 minutes. 20 minutes left. But at least I did some progress here. But that's the start. You can close all of you. Or another debug sphere, radius 1. Let's make it 3. 2 seconds. And it's here. Maybe that's the reason. Okay. I thought you just wrote me something new. Okay, so this should be the source of our sound. Multicasting feedback. And I can hear it. I can hear it. Haha. Do we have some metal hit? Not in Yaragara, but maybe where's all the stuff? The animation stuff. Not that. An emitter. Here's the Nagara system. That's the rest. Heavy Schranz playing. Raw metal. Yes. I was sure they were digging Niagara. Those explosions are a bit too big. Turn this off. Third party in the variety pack. Particle systems, nope. Particles, destruction, fire, hit. Hit, dig, asphalt, ceramic, concrete, default, ice, leather, paper, rubber, vegetation, and wood. No. It's smoke, sparks. These are the big embers. No. That's a bit much. Just need the big pew. Hmm? That's something. Okay, let's be sure the C was good. That's too much. That's more like a fireworky. C was looking good. That's too much. Favorite is still number C. That's too much as well. We will create some nice of our own. But now, just to show something, let's make that cascade particle system. Spawn emitter at location. Box C. And the location is this one. Means we can skip that debug sphere, hopefully. That's a bit much. Oh, it's replicating. The repeating. It's repeating again and again. So we have to go inside. Required. It should be somewhere here. Emitter loops, just one, please. Thank you. And it's a bit too big, too much. Velocity cone. Initial size can be smaller. Don't make it too big. Acceleration. Less aggressive. Drag is too much. Nice by life. Lifetime can be shorter. Okay, the drag does something. Constant acceleration. Okay, the velocity cone is our helper here. Distribution float uniform. Max. But this one is the spreading. velocity. This is looking cute now, I would assume. Save, and let's hope it's not repeating again. That reminds me of the explosion we had. I really need to hammer that baby down. I'm not hammering enough. But that's not my issue, my problem. Sweet. Future blacksmiths need to figure out. Maybe I need to rest it a bit. Need a good swing, but it's doing something. That's cool. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for the wood. Got the feeling that it's doing more on one side and less on the other. To be honest, I like that velocity more, that it's growing way, way slower. Then you say, oh, it's so ugly, what should I do with that? And then you put it into the water after it's heated, and it will have some of the fun variations. Beautiful. Not. Maybe we should place some hammers here. Let's stay with the blacksmith building. Some basic ones. And then, like master blacksmith, they will be able to make their own hammers. Maybe with special abilities or whatever. But for the start, it's doing a thing. And when we're done, then we go over to that grinder and give it some good grinding. I would say that's it for today. Should we maybe try? Oh, you know what? Let's try one little thing. I go here, take this hammer baby, and then I'm smacking it. Smack. Heavy smacks. And I say, Twitch clip that. Maybe this works. I got a toothbrush now. Yeah, but that's it. That should be it. I can finally take off the headset. Did you enjoy this kind of stream? It felt weird to not being able to move myself at the side. Oh, you're so nice. Oh, did it work? It just told me something about the clip. because that is a new feature and I wanted to test it. Yes, I think I did it. Cool. I will watch it later. The new feature will help me to make some clips inside of our streams with the help of Twitch. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So I can already make some highlights when I know something good is doing. Then I have to say the magic words, and around the past 30 seconds will be recorded as a clip. But that's all from me for today. Yeah, I'm just rocking back and forth and enjoying the hard work that I did. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for helping me. This was kind of a hard nut for me to crack. It's still the beginning. We are still working with the basics, but the basis is done. We can hammer something. That is really, really awesome. So Gizi, LKW Peter, and Potato God Zaki, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our Discord, and until then, have a good day, good night, good whatever time zone you are. I love you all, and bye bye.